Now my question to you is,
I don't answer questions.
You're one of those people that like to instigate cops to get you money and get you paid.
That's my vehicle. You don't have any. I do pay tax. So I'm being detained?
Yes, you are.
For what? For what crime?
What you mean?
I'm not being detained.
You're being detained. You are free to go.
Yeah, I'm free to stay as well.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In November of 2022, a viewer named Justin had made a purchase at a nearby McDonald's. He realized the order was incorrect when he arrived home. He called to ask about a refund, and they told him to appear at the McDonald's with his receipt the next morning to receive a refund from the store's manager. He discarded the food, but went to the McDonald's the next day as instructed. But the manager asked him to return home to dig the food out of his trash to return to them. A small argument occurred that was not captured on camera, but in the end, Justin went home and retrieved the items to be refunded and returned to the McDonald's again, and as they refunded his money, they called the police. Note that I am not condoning anything that occurred within the McDonald's, as there is no video of what happened inside. This is only meant as a discussion of how police responded to a call of a disorderly person. After Justin's refund was issued, he left, and two uniformed officers of the Allentown Police Department arrive on scene as Justin made it to the sidewalk.
Apparently you were here earlier and
According to who?
causing a scene.
According to who?
To workers that work here.
Okay. So is there like a complaint or something?
Yes, there is a complaint about you acting disorderly and aggressive towards them because there was food.
And this was earlier, you said?
Yeah.
And this is supposed to be me, the same person?
Yes.
Okay. So then how come something wasn't done about that earlier?
Because you left apparently, and I was here earlier, so I talked to the plaintiff about you, and she described you as a white male with full set of beer, dressed in black, and obviously she recognized you again, and that's why we are here.
Okay, cool. Cool story.
Now my question to you is,
I don't answer questions.
so are you like,
I don't answer questions.
one of those people that are like,
I don't answer questions.
so why are you here?
I don't answer questions.
Do you understand that this is a legit
I don't answer questions.
business, and
You have something to say to me?
why we're here is because of you?
No? You don't answer questions either, right? Okay.
You understand what I'm telling you?
I don't answer questions.
Like, I'm telling you a statement that we're here because of you.
Okay.
Now, it looks like you've done this before, and it looks like you're one of those people that like to instigate cops to act in a manner that for you, that you believe is okay to get you money and get you paid.
Based on the interaction so far, the officer has done nothing in her investigation to help either party. Justin has been calm, but already the officer accuses him of instigating officers to make money because he is filming and asserting his right to refuse to answer questions.
Now,
Do you think that's what's going on?
I think that's what's going on here. And you're recording me the same way I'm recording.
No, I'm recording me for my safety.
So what I'm telling you is that this is a legitimate police business.
That's fine.
Right now. So
I don't think your vehicle should be pulled up on the curb there like that, by the way.
It's none of your business.
It is my business. Absolutely my business. That's my vehicle, sir. That's my vehicle.
You don't have any.
I do pay taxes.
The officer quickly escalates the scene by accusing Justin of being a sovereign citizen and for allegedly not paying taxes.
Who do you pay taxes to?
What do you mean?
Where
To
do
the
you
city
live?
of Allentown.
You own a house?
I live in Allentown.
Do you own a house?
Does property taxes?
Do you own a house?
Property taxes? I pay taxes, sir.
Not very
I pay taxes, sir. I pay taxes, sir. I don't have to answer your questions anyway, regardless. The questions I answer are selective, by the way. Yeah, okay. Anyway. Yeah, you're a tyrant, sir. Yeah, okay.
Listen.
Yeah.
The officer now claims that if Justin returns, he will be arrested for a defiant trespass, though he has yet to have been asked to leave the property.
I'm sorry, say that again? I'm getting what?
Come back here again to McDonald's on this property. You're getting arrested for defiant trespass.
For defiant trespass. How am I trespassing,
You're being advised
sir?
right now to
How am
stay
I
off the
trespassing?
property.
I'm being advised by who? By you?
You're being advised by McDonald's.
Oh, that's not how it works, because you're not McDonald's, sir. You're a police officer.
You want me to get McDonald's to come out here and tell you this? Because you want
Yeah, I do actually, because that is facility. Yep, I do actually. But you know why?
Okay, that's
yep.
fine.
Go
I
ahead.
can tell you
Solicit
what
a
to do,
trespass, sir.
this is my
Solicit a
jurisdiction.
trespass, sir. That is illegal.
Is it?
Yes, it is.
Well, you know what?
It's soliciting a
We'll put you in
trespass. Go
handcuffs
ahead.
and take
Because
you
they
in
never
now.
asked
I
me to
can
leave,
contact
sir.
your lawyer.
They never asked me to leave. leave, sir. Exactly.
Go find out
yeah,
right
go ahead. Go ahead. I have everything on camera, sir. I don't need your proof. Whatever. Yeah, go ahead.
Let's calm down.
The officer claims that McDonald's is trespassing Justin, though he has not been inside to speak with the complainant. He also claims that he can trespass him because he is a police officer and that this is his jurisdiction. But being a police officer does not in itself give a person the right to trespass a person from a property they don't own or represent. However, some businesses do enter into contracts with their municipality to grant the police a limited authorization for arrest. The principle behind this contract is that the police have no ownership interest in the business or the private property, and if there isn't a complainant, then the police may not have jurisdiction to enforce a trespass or loitering charges on private property. This contract would allow them to investigate loitering and trespassing without an active representative of the property present or available. It's unclear whether this city and this McDonald's are entered into such a contract, but the officer goes inside to solicit a trespass.
I've been calm, ma'am. I will tell you what I'm here for. I came here for a refund, right? Okay. I ordered 2 double cheeseburgers with no pickles, add mac sauce, not that hard. Okay, whatever. They put lettuce on it.
Okay.
I didn't eat it. They assumed that I ate it anyway and just wanted my money for whatever the case was. So they wanted me to go all the way back home to retrieve the items,
right,
to then bring them back to the McDonald's here to prove to them that I still had the product that I didn't eat. Exactly. And I did that just now.
Okay.
And I got my refund. All is said and done.
Well,
so why'd they call the cops?
I don't know.
Exactly.
That's why we're here.
You know why? Because I asked for... No, hold on. No, I'm not done, though. You asked me a question, and I'm answering the question that you asked. So you don't want to talk to me anymore? So I'm going to walk away?
No. You're not free to walk away.
I am free to walk away. So I'm being detained?
Yes, you are.
For what? For what crime?
What you mean?
What you mean? No. What crime am I being detained for?
Trying to figure out here.
No, that's not how detention works, man.
It is how it works.
Excuse me? How are you talking to me, sir? How are you talking to me, sir?
Listen to what the man.
What did you just say to me?
Just listen.
I said big mouth.
Big mouth. Okay.
Yes,
thank
you're
you.
A big mouth
all right
now.
Ma'am,
This man is the office manager here.
Yeah.
Listen closely what she has to tell you.
Okay. So wait, hold on. Wait, before you said anything, hold on. What was the conversation you just had with her?
Did you kick this gentleman off the property?
And what did you say?
Yes.
How did you kick me off the property? Did you ever? When did you ask me to leave?
No, you didn't leave.
No. When did you ask me to leave? Did you ever ask me to leave? No, you did not. Thank you, sir. You just solicited a trespass. I have it on recording. Thank you. Goodbye.
You're not being arrested right now.
No. Let's shut up. No, yeah, whatever, man.
Yo, calm down.
No. I don't respect him. Sorry. Go ahead, man.
When I pulled up in here and I came to talk to you, to tell me what's going on, you refused. You were like, I don't answer questions. And I'm trying to explain to you that this is a legitimate police investigation.
But see,
hold on. And I didn't know. Excuse me. Let me finish. I didn't know what would happen when you came back. I knew why you were here earlier because it was me who came.
Okay. And so that caused you to drive up on the sidewalk like that?
That caused me to pull up because you left as soon as you saw me earlier.
But that caused you to drive up on the sidewalk like that?
This is a police emergency vehicle.
Yeah, and this is a public sidewalk. This conversation right here is completely consensual.
All right, so you already know what's going on.
I'm not being detained.
You're being detained.
No, I'm not. I'm not being detained. I'm being detained. I can literally walk away right now if I wanted to. You know that, right?
You don't know that you're not allowed to be back here.
No, see.
I'm not going to fall up.
I do know that, ma'am. I do understand that one of your officers just solicited a trespass, which is illegal.
To be clear, soliciting a trespass is not illegal. To assume that the officer violated a person's 4th or 14th Amendment rights would require you to prove that an officer used their authority to intimidate a property owner into issuing a trespass warning against their will. Outside of that, there is no law preventing an officer from asking a property owner if they would like a patron to be told not to return. And now, Officer Yenya loses what little professionalism she had left.
I do understand that. No. It's not that I want her to tell me. No.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. You did. You told him to bring her out here.
That's not how it works.
I'm telling you.
That's not how it works. That's not how it works.
I don't care how you think.
That's not how I think. That's how the law works, man. You are a law enforcement officer, not a feelings enforcement officer. She never told me. She never told me to leave the establishment.
Didn't she tell you right now?
Just now, after the fact that your officer went in there and told her
what are we trying to do here?
to get me trespassed.
No, he didn't tell her anything.
Why would I waste my time doing that?
You just did it, officer. I have it on camera, dude. You solicited the trespass by having her come out here. You just said it. No, it's not. No, it's not, bro. No, it's not, bro.
No, it's not.
I do know better than you do. Yes, I do.
I'm not gonna fall into this bullshit that you have here. You come back here, you'll be arrested regardless of what the you believe. All right, and record. I don't give.
You're recording too, yes, right?
So I'm telling you right now, you come back, you're gonna be arrested for whatever the you want to be. This is a police vehicle. I'll park it however the I want to park it, and however the is needed to be parked to stop you from doing whatever.
And what's your name and badge number, please? Because your name is
nope. It's right here.
Your name is not right here, man. What is your name? Because I cannot pronounce that.
Have a nice day. If you
what is your badge number and your name? What is your badge number and your name?
If you come back, you're gonna be arrested.
What is your badge number and your name, sir? What is your badge number and your name?
I'm not listening to you.
You're free to go.
You're not listening to me.
Nope, I'm not listening to you.
You are free to go.
Yeah, I'm free to stay as well.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
They don't want you in this.
I'm not on the establishment, ma'am. I am on a public sidewalk. Try me. Anyway,
public sidewalk.
You don't want to give me your name and your badge number? You don't want to say it.
Minaya 120. 270.
Thank you for your professionalism, sir.
Okay, so free to go.
You good?
I'm great. What's your name and badge number?
It's right there. You can't read.
That's how you say it?
No, he can't read.
To the court officer, right?
He can read.
That's how you say it to the judge and everything, right?
He can read. It's Reyes 192. You're free to go.
Don't worry, it's live.
If you stay any longer, you are going to be arrested.
I'm going to be arrested. For what? For trespassing on a public sidewalk?
No, for disorderly conduct.
I'm not being disorderly. No? Anyway, next. You can try that, though. But it's not going to work. Sweetheart. It's just my first rodeo. It's not going to work.
Obviously, it's not.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's not.
You don't want to give me your name and badge number?
Yeah, it's Officer Belichick, badge 258.
Thank you so much for your professionalism. How about you, sir?
You can spell it right there.
No, I cannot spell it, sir. I asked for a picture menu in there because I cannot read or write. You don't know that. What is your name and badge number, sir?
You've been warned.
I've been warned. Right.
Take care of yourself, bud.
You too, man. Thank you.
All right.
The officers leave surprisingly without asking for his ID. This is the type of unprofessionalism that has become standard across the United States within the ranks of law enforcement. It is very possible that Justin was wrong in this situation, but without evidence of such, it would be impossible to tell. But Justin isn't a representative of the government paid by tax dollars. The officers are, which is why we expect a much higher degree of stoicism, civility, and respect when dealing with members of the public. Instead, these officers showed that they feel as though they have unbridled power, that they are safe from scrutiny and reprimand. But we the people expect more from our public servants and state officials. Justin is requesting the body cam footage and plans to file a complaint about the incident. Let me know how you feel about the interaction. Could this have gone better? Or were the officers justified in their behavior? And don't forget to visit Justin's channel, which will be linked in the description and pinned comment.
I drove up on the curb. I'm glad I got that. I drove up on the curb like I'm some criminal. Like if I just robbed McDonald's. Whoa. It's crazy, dude.
Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content. And check out our other channels, Lady Lackluster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.